Hi, welcome to NDTV Swirlster. Today I have with me the Brightening Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash from Wow Skin Science. This is it right here. Now this face wash comes with a built-in brush which is made with silicone bristles. Its formula does not have any parabens, any silicones, any sulfates or any color. It is also made using natural actives and it helps to fade age spots, to brighten the tone and to smoothen the complexion. So keep watching as I show you close-ups of this product as well as my thoughts on it. The Wow Skin Science Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash looks like this. It comes in a dark colored plastic bottle which is quite sturdy, and on top of it is a brush which is built into the face wash. It is made with silicone bristles. It has a cap which I have removed. It contains 100 ml of product and this is what it looks like. Now at the back of the bottle are details as to how you can use this face wash as well as how the face wash is made. It is also suitable for all skin types. Let me just demonstrate how to use the face wash. So this is also a pump dispenser. Once I press it, some of the face wash is going to be dispensed from these outlets which are built into the brush right here. Now that you have seen the close-up of this face wash, let's go through my thoughts on it. For one, I like that the highlight of this particular foaming face wash is the pump dispenser that is built in with the brush on top. I like that the bristles of it are made of silicone and they are very gentle on the skin. Even when you are using it to brush on your face, it's very gentle. It doesn't feel very abrasive and that's a nice aspect of it. However, I find that if you are using this on a daily basis and especially if you are using it post using makeup or at the end of a long day, this can accumulate grime. So that would mean needing to clean the brush every time you use this face wash, specifically for hygiene purposes. That is one aspect to think of when you are using it, because it has a brush built in, so it does need some kind of cleanliness attached to the brush that it is used with. The foaming face wash is really very foaming. It has a nice lather running through it and it has a beautiful smell. It has a strong citrus smell which is very refreshing on the face. However, if you are sensitive to fragrance, this is a point to take note of because the fragrance is quite strong. I did notice that it really cleansed any kind of oil or any kind of dirt really well from the face, especially because it has that brush built in. So it really gets in deep and removes any impurities or anything on the surface level very well, and it did feel very energizing and it felt very revitalizing when using this on the face. Once I used this face wash, I found my face feeling a lot fresher and a lot brighter, I think because of that vitamin C and that lovely citrus smell running through it, also because of the brush that added the cleansing abilities to this particular face wash. That's what we think of it today.